Hey guys, thought I'd do a quick little video today to show you an upgrade I did to the bike recently. Um, Recently installed the Custom Dynamics Smart Triple Play module. Basically converts your two rear turn signals from turn only to run, turn, and brake lights. So you have three lights illuminated here when your running lights are on, as well as when you apply the brake and your brake light comes on. Now the turn function doesn't change, they'll still work as turn signals, but instead of only having this one square tail light illuminated with the run function and brake function, you'll have all three. So let me set the camera down and I'll show you what that looks like. Now that's just with the running lights on. That's not even applying any brakes, and already look at how bright the lights are. Not that that square tail light wasn't bright already, but I just figured, before I put this module on, I thought it looked kind of silly having just the square tail light lit up and those two turn signal on either side, not lit up. It almost looked like something was wrong. Like it looked like they're supposed to be lit up, but they're not. That's just the way the bike comes from the factory. So let me go ahead and squeeze the brake so you can see how bright it is with the brake lights on. So I'm not going to go into detail with how to install it because there's a lot of other videos on YouTube that go through step-by-step instructions, but the short end of it is basically underneath your seat here, you'd have to take this seat off, and there's wiring underneath that goes to the rear taillight and turn signals back here. And all that module does is just daisy chain right in. And it's all plug and play. There's no splicing or soldering involved. Everything's plug and play. Very straightforward. I will say my only critique to Custom Dynamics on this is the directions are in black and white. It would be very helpful if they were in color because your connections are color coded for the bike, and again, in my opinion, it would just be very helpful if they were color coded so you could see what connections go where. But again, there are YouTube videos that go into detail step by step how to install one of these. Now, another function or another feature of this module is, as you saw when I hit the brakes, everything just was lit up solid, solid red. Another function is you could turn on the strobe feature, and there's 9 different settings. So you could pick when you hit the brakes, these lights will flash 3 times, or there's another setting where you could have them flash 4 or 5 or a different pattern. However you want it, there's, I believe it's 9 different choices that you have that you could set the strobe pattern up to, which is kind of cool. Like I said, I have it set up solid red right now. I may change it to strobe at some point maybe, but for right now the solid red is just fine. That's it, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, hit like, hit subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video.